Fix it yourself. Save money in your gadgets. Many people throw away electronics when they break. This is bad for the environment. It also costs lots of money. Learning to fix your own devices is a great idea. You can save money and help the planet. It's easier than you think. You don't have to be a tech expert. There are many resources to help you. Online guides and videos make repairs easy. You can learn to fix many common problems yourself. Give DIY repair a try. You'll be happy you did. Laptops can have many problems. Slow performance is a common issue. Sometimes the battery won't charge. A broken screen can be scary. Don't worry, there are solutions. To fix slow performance, try adding more RAM. This will help your laptop run faster. If the battery isn't charging, you may need a new one. Replacing a laptop battery is easier than you think. For a broken screen, you can find replacement parts online. Our phones are important to us, but they don't last forever. Batteries lose their charge, screens get cracked, buttons stop working. What can you do? You can fix many phone problems yourself. If your battery dies quickly, try replacing it. It's easier than you think. A cracked screen can be replaced too. You can find kits online. Just be sure to follow directions carefully. Section 4. Gaming Gear Guru, Conquering Console Conundrums. Gaming consoles can have problems too. Maybe the disk drive stops working, or the console overheats and shuts down. Don't give up on your games. Many console problems can be fixed. Sometimes you just need to clean the dust out of the vents. This will help it stay cool. If the disk drive is broken, you might be able to replace it. You can find parts and instructions online. Section 5. Tool Time, Essential Gear for Gadget Surgeons. Ready to start fixing? You'll need the right tools. Don't worry, you don't need a lot. A few basic tools will go a long way. A good screwdriver set is essential. You'll need different sizes and types. Tweezers are great for grabbing small parts. A spudger is perfect for prying open cases. With these tools, you'll be ready for anything. Section 6. The price is right. DIY versus professional repairs. Professional repair shops can be expensive. Doing it yourself can save a lot of money, but is it worth it? In most cases, DIY is much cheaper. You'll save on labor costs, and you can find parts online for less. If you're comfortable with tools, DIY is the way to go.